and create a quiz. So what you can do here is, so if you've got an existing LessonUp lesson that you've already created, you can bring it in. So you can add the link to it, but I'm just going to go back to subject again. The reason I'm doing this is just to let you see here's the different features. So on this one, I'm going to create a quiz on workshops, health and safety. You can create your number of quizzes, so you can see you can have up to 15. So in this one, I'll generate 10. What you can see here is, again, your level. We've got master's degree and we've got PhD and all built in with HNC, HND, which is all very useful within the FE and HE sector. So I'm going to go this time for GCSE Foundation, keeping it UK English. So again, I could put in more information into the describe your subject. So describe your subject, what I could be putting in there is the learning outcomes. I could be putting in the specification, the criteria. So the more information you give it, the better of a response. It's like everything. It's like garbage in, garbage out. So the better prompt that you give, the better output you will have. But with this, you will see that the output is very good. So I'll let that load. Will generally take, as the hamster runs around the wheel, a wee bit longer. So what you'll notice is select which questions you'd like to include. So you can actually pick the questions. So you can select like use in the lesson. And it's give you a range of questions. It's also give you the different answers which are correct. So again, it's checking through them and making sure, yep, that's right, or I want to use it. So you can select the ones you want to use in the lesson. Give yourself the title, so describe the title for your quiz, and then what you can do is generate the quiz. And again, it's interactive. You can scan the QR code, you can put it up on Google Classroom, you can put it up into Canva, so Canvas, sorry, depending where you're actually using it. So here I can see there's my quiz. So I selected 4 of those questions, and there's my quiz that I can teach and show with students. So if I go to teach, again, I'll put 20 minutes on this one. And we'll keep it key stage 4, but again, it could be used for any level. GCSE. And students will join using the QR code, and then this is what they'll see. So what's the first step in an emergency? So they're able to pick which is the right answer. And then you can see here again the responses. You can give a timer and then the responses. So a really nice one on that.